Walking on a dream. How can I explain?
Ooh, those are 100% spot on, so let's dive into the reason behind a few of those misconceptions. Oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. It feels strange or counterintuitive, but if you don't moisturize, it actually might make your skin more oily. In other words, if your skin isn't moisturized, it may produce more oil to compensate for that. This is especially true if you have acne. Of course, none of this matters if you choose the wrong one. Avoid heavy creams and oils and stick to oil-free or water-based options like a hydrogel moisturizer. Harsh scrubs will help acne. Spoiler alert, they won't. Sadly, you can't scrub away acne, and if you try, you're more likely to cause more irritation, inflammation, and spread bacteria. Stick to a gentle exfoliant that can penetrate your pores and sweep out all the bad stuff. Ideally, look for products with salicylic or azelaic acid. These gentle chemicals do much more for your skin than aggressive scrubbing. Drinking water will clear your acne. As you may know, we are mostly water, 45 to 75%, and it's super important, so you should be drinking exactly what your body needs. But water alone is not going to clear your acne. It's very important for carrying vitamins and minerals into the skin and flushing harmful toxins out, but you also need a healthy skincare routine to get the best results. Your skincare routine will help you remove bacteria, dirt, dead skin, and more, and allow you to attack your acne from the inside out.